We'll guide you through how to fix Windows being unable to format a USB drive. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is annoying as you're then unable to go and use it. So what we need to do is go and close off this like so. Come to the bottom and click on search, and you want to go and type in disk management and click on create and format hard disk partitions. Disk management will open up. Come down to the bottom and scroll down and go and find your USB drive. It's likely to be unallocated. If it is though, all you need to do is right click on it and click on delete volume. Just to note that will delete everything. And then what we can do is go and make a new simple volume. So right click on unallocated and click there, and we can then go through the wizard. Personally, I don't change any of this here. Now you can open up File Explorer, click this PC and go and find it. Here it is. You can right click on it, click on format, and now it should go and work. It will then go and run through. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Have a great day.